Good morning, guys. That was a pretty good night's sleep. Yeah, the guys are still in the tent, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the weather, fresh air, and do some yoga right now, and then we're gonna get going, get started with our day. So I'll see ya. So boys, how was the first night? Rick? Kid. Kami was going for his morning shower. And I am gonna eat breakfast because I'm starving. Got breakfast going. We got pasta. We got some juice and some coffee. Brick's got cuties and bananas for breakfast. Kamil got out the shower. We got plates, cups, and coffee ready for him to go. And we're gonna eat and then head out. Brick,
what's up?
Brick.
Best goats I've ever seen.
Best goats ever. I was waiting for him to say best goats.
Especially the guy with the blue eyes. Beautiful eyes. Best eyes I've ever seen.
Best eyes he's ever seen.
Dude, in Spain they just walk around.
Like free?
What do you mean? They just walk around.
Like a deer would.
Just not in Madrid, because that's a city. Yeah, like a deer.
We got Brick on load, sleeping in the back. This is all he does when we're driving. Fetal position and everything. Man's living the life. Quick pit stop to empty the cooler and maybe get some gas and more ice.
Brick woke up.
Brick, oh yeah, Brick, what, he slept the entire time. We woke him up like 4 times? Yeah. Still went back to bed. We got some hot dogs for lunch. They're already munching. Brick, what'd you say?
This hot dog is the best hot dog I've ever had in my goddamn life. Alright, so we pulled up to some plane that's in front of a hotel, and it looks like you can go in it. I think it's pretty massive. Brick, what do you think of the plane? Best one I've ever seen. Oh, that is open. Ooh. This thing is big. Look at that. Like, just for comparison, that is huge. There's like brochures and stuff up here.
Oh, so it's like a tour.
Yeah. Oh, that looks sick.
That's fucking cool.
Yo! This is awesome! Huh?
Not like, is this the table?
Yes, bro, it's a plane. What do you think is gonna fall through?
Yeah.
Damn! Dude, no, look at this. Yeah, this is like a World War II. Yo, come here. Get over here, bro. Dude, this thing is sick. This is sick. Look at this thing. Wow. Look at that. Oh, wow. Stuff is awesome. Look at that. Oh, you can go in this way too. Wow. This place is awesome. I'm gonna go look at the plane. Look at this. Wow. Wow, this is awesome. Brick, what do you think of the plane now?
Best interior.
Best interior ever.
I've ever seen.
Oh wow, look at these. Look at these. Look at the beds, the twin beds in the middle. Yeah, dude, this is awesome. Hey, look at this. Me and Vic are ready to get deployed.
About to drop into Warzone.
About to drop into Warzone. Hey, come here, Cliff. Sit down real quick. Sit down real quick so we can get you in there. The boys are ready to drop. No way. You could like sit in there too. Oh yeah, bro, I'm sitting in here. That's awesome. No way. That's sick. You can mess with everything here. Dope, let me see if I can get into the cockpit. Let me see this. Oh yeah. All these seats are hot. Look at that. This is gorgeous. Wow. Look at these seatbelts. Sick. Oh, you can't move these because then the plane will move. Wow. That's awesome. Alright, we're gonna go hiking. We got this gnat repellent this time, so hopefully the bugs won't be as bad on us, but
Doubled up.
yeah. Oh, and then we got off for all the mosquitoes because this place is hell. Cute. This trail sucked.
Picnic table.
Crick, what are your thoughts on the trail? Not the best.
Not the best. Wasn't bad. Peaceful.
No.
Not as good views as yesterday, but hey, nice disappointment.
Best disappointment?
I'd say better than the city though.
I mean, the trail was pretty long, so we don't really know what was later on in the trail, but
Not bad.
not a
I'm
fan.
impressed. I am optimistic.
The best part?
Oh, actually, this is where we would be
Camp?
camping. That's so terrible.
Wow. I mean, this is what I thought we were gonna be getting into.
Where would we let's see, where would we put the tent?
So yeah, this would be our campground.
Something like this, not this one. So you'd be like, where are you gonna put the tent?
Car would go there, tent right there
How are you
probably.
gonna dig it into the rock?
Well, that's why you need to know. I mean, it's nice and secluded, which
But
is
you got
what
a
I
guy
was.
right there. You got an idiot over there.
I mean, ours is wide open area. That's it. I don't know. I was expecting this.
I
more
like ours
content.
better.
Yeah, ours is definitely better. Well, this is the best part of the trail because we're not on the trail. In order to get back to the car parking lot that we were at, because the trail doesn't lead to it, we
Some La Migra type shit.
yeah, we ended up having to crossing into the closed off campgrounds.
Bugs?
So
Bugs here are getting to
technically we just trespassed.
Oops.
On accident.
Sorry, Wisconsin. Go Bears.
These are some beautiful trees, man. Look at that. They just keep going. Let's go. What'd you say, Brick?
Best trees on the field. Yes.
Yeah.
I will agree.
I third that. Second time trespassing today. Faster way to get to the car.
Yeah, it's so weird.
Yeah. It's just that we could like beeline it through here. Do not enter. Oh yeah. Made it to the car. Gonna go home and get some.
Shower.
Or not home, we're gonna go to the campground. Oh yeah, shower. Gas.
That's the final destination.
Gas, go to the campground, get some cooking. Today at the campground we got Chef
But it's the
Camille.
first one, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Chef Camille, what are you cooking, man?
Blood sausages. They're very high in iron. 15 minutes, and we should be lunching on some nutritious food.
Of course.
Just finished the first krupniak, it's called. I personally feel it's tasty as hell. Brick.
Wait.
How? How? Oh. Matt Brick's gonna eat this.
Wait, so this is
You
like
might want to
skin?
cut it into little pieces like I did,
No.
and then
Wait,
it's
what if
gonna
I
peel
cut it in
quicker.
half? What if I cut it in half?
Yeah,
Dude,
but you
what
see
the-
how it's like falling apart? You can't really
Dude.
peel. Oh, you could peel like that.
This shit is hard, dude.
Trust
Oh,
me, it
it's
just
like
falls
not that
apart.
bad. It's
It
not
falls apart. It's so soft and tender. It's
Alright,
yummy.
Now I guess why. Now I know I don't need.
Miko is just in the shower. Gonna take the last 3 of these puppies out. Matt Brick is eating. Yummy as hell. Gonna be back soon.
I don't know how much is gonna be visible, but right now I'm gonna try Chef Camille's cooking. Oh, yeah, this thing.
It falls apart.
Yeah, no, this thing's falling apart already. This is good.
Like you see mine, it looks like fucking oatmeal, but
Oh, that is good.
telling you.
That is really.
Best kashrank you ever had?
I think this is the first one, so yeah. Chef Camille did good. I rate it.
Proud.
That's good. That's good. He did me proud. Alright, time to start the campfire. This campfire is looking really nice. Hopefully you can see me, but we're just gonna chill by the campfire. Have a chill last night. Get some marshmallows going, get some s'mores, and yeah, have a chill night. And then we gotta leave tomorrow morning. This campfire is looking absolutely amazing. Time to get the s'mores going. It's been a really good camping trip. Alrighty, get these s'mores. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that is beautiful. The second one too. Beautiful. Here you go, Brick.
Cheers. Came out perfect. This is godlike. When you think of s'mores, this is what you want to feel. That is wow. I won't forget this smell. It will bring me back to good times. Wow.
Best s'more you ever had?
Without a doubt.
And then these chips, Brick, best chips you ever had?
Never had them before, but out of all of the chips I've had in my life, these are the best. Something about them.
Alright, let me get into this s'more. Hopefully you guys can see with the campfire.
Oh yeah.
Mmm,
Good crunch.
yeah.
Good crunch.
I see what you mean though. This is exactly the taste that you want from a s'more.
But this makes it so much. This makes this night a lot better, dude. Holy fuck. I was
Rick,
like,
what's up?
dude, I was like, oh fuck, I gotta go to sleep again without a pillow. And then I open up my sleeping bag and there's a fucking pillow inside of it. Like Santa just popped it overnight. Fuck me, what a blessing, dude. I could look at this both ways. I had a shitty sleep last night, or I'm gonna have a fucking epic sleep this night, dude. Oh my god, what a fucking day. Dude.
Wait, how did you not notice the sleeping, the pillow in the sleeping?
Because yesterday I just fucking jumped in, dude. It was actually uncomfortable because it was like squeezing me and shit. I was like, what is that? Oh, it's a fucking pillow. That's the shit, bro.
The best pillow ever.
Dude, actually, fuck yeah, dude. Shit is gonna be so clutch today.
Alright, that's day 2 done. It's Brick.
Night 2 last
Got a
night.
pillow, boys.
Last night of the first camping trip, I'd say this shit was a success. But
Yeah.
I'm gonna marry this fucking pillow.
Yeah, overall. Today redeemed itself with the campfire. It
in the
is...
morning when we were hiking, we were lame.
Oh no, I'm hiding the light.
Stores in the airplane up
It
there.
is 1:37.
The
We were
goats-
just chilling by the campfire.
The goats were cool.
Oh yeah, no.
Dude, they were so
Store was freaking awesome.
Yeah, that was a good start to the day.
Trail wasn't. I kind of liked it. You know, it was stupid.
Trail was the weakest part of the day.
Still wasn't a terrible day. So.
Dude, Brick's gonna sleep like a baby
Dude.
tonight.
I have a fucking pillow. Oh my god.
Alright, see you in the morning.